Okay, I will be demoing the Mortar app on Shopify. Basically, what this app is for retailers that have physical brick and mortar stores. Obviously, on Shopify, there's a growing number of stores that have physical locations. And what Mortar does is it helps those stores promote what's going on in their brick and mortar. So it starts off a store locator. So basically, first, when you download Mortar, you'll get prompted to either add your locations. You can sync them directly in Shopify from your Shopify locations, or you can add them if there are locations above and beyond what you have archived in Shopify. You can do that as well. So for this example, I've just got a few starter locations in here, and I'll add a fifth so you can see that process. So add a Norwich store. I will add an image. So I'm just filling out all of the information that is associated with this physical store first. Okay, so once I have that, I can then see what those location pages look like under account configuration. There are instructions here on how to link to these separate pages on your Shopify site. So I just copy this link. There's also a video here that shows merchants how to do that. I will go to the demo store and add a locations nav item. Add that, save, refresh this. Take a second. There it is. Okay, I've got the locations page, and there is my physical new location that I just entered. As you can see, I don't have store hours. So when you go back to that location, once you set it up, you can then enter your store hours. So I'll just add 9 to 5 for everything. Hit save. And now I have the store hours for that location. So that's a starting point, is getting all of your store location info set up. And then if we go back to Mortar and we look at the other pages, or we call them modules, that correspond with the location. So at each location, you will have departments, services, active events, specials or offers, staff members, or job openings or careers. So you can link all of these different modules with a location so that when you visit that location page, you can see everything that is going on at that location. So I'll start by just offering, or I'll start by adding, let's do an offer. So let's say 20% off customer appreciation sale. Just put that in the description. Come on in this weekend for a huge sale. Each module has some different features to it, just based on the user feedback we get from merchants. So we're adding to this all the time. But I'm going to skip through some of this stuff. You can do availability in-store only, online only, or in-store and online. You can have valid start and end dates. So if I wanted to program this out to start this Friday and run through Monday, did I do that right? No. Okay. Friday through Monday. There we go. Nope. Friday through Monday. There we go. And then you have a display setting, so I can display after, I can display it immediately, or I can display after the valid from date. So if I didn't want this coupon to populate until this exact time, I can essentially pre-program it, but have it publish when that day and time hits. So I will display it immediately, those for demo purposes. And let's just throw this image in there for the offer image. And I will link it to a specific location. Let's do that Norwich store we just set up. Save. Okay, so now I've got that offer. There's two ways in which we can advertise the offer. If we go back to that account configuration, we see that we have an individual page set up for each module. So first I'll do that. Here's the offers link. I'll go into Shopify and add an offers link to my nav. Go back to my site. Once that populates, takes a second for Shopify to refresh. So I will just do it manually. Whoops. Offers. There we go. Okay. So all of the offers that you're running will be listed on this page. And if you want to see what offers are at a specific location, you can go into that store's location page and you will see that offer posted on their page. So that's how it works with not only offers and how they correspond to locations, but every single module that Mortar offers to help brick and mortar stores advertise what is happening at their local retail store.